So hello students, how are you? Today I am here with another interesting question. The number of lone pairs are identical in the pairs XCF4 ClF3, XCO4 ICl4 minus, XCO2F2 ICl4 minus, XCO4 ClF3. So which will be the answer? Now if we determine which pairs have identical lone pairs, we have to determine the structure of these pairs. So here there are 5 compounds, that is XeF4, ClF3, XeO4, ICl4 minus, XeO2F2. So we will determine the structure of these compounds following VAC pair theory. So first XeF4, Xe has 8 valence electron, 4 fluorine give 4 electron, so total number of electron equal to 12. So electron pair equal to 6. Here 4 fluorine atoms are there, so 4 fluorine atom will be bonded to Xe with 4 sigma bond. So 4 sigma plus 2 lone pair. As 6 electron pairs are there, so the hybridization will be sp3d2, that is geometry will be octahedral. So if we draw the geometry, Xe F F F F, these two lone pair will be mutually antiposition to reduce the repulsion between lone pair. Now this compound has 2 lone pair of electron. Then we will come to ClF3. Chlorine has 7 valence electron, 3 fluorine will give 3 electron, total number of electron equal to 10, electron pair equal to 5. So here 3 fluorines will be attached to chlorine with 3 sigma bonds. So 3 sigma plus 2 lone pair. Here the hybridization will be sp3d. So the structure will be Cl this lone pair will occupy the equatorial position because here the repulsion will be minimum. Now we will come to XeO4. Xe has 8 electron, 4 oxygen will give total 8 electron, total number of electron equal to 16, electron pair equal to 8. Now each oxygen will be bonded to Xe with 1 sigma and 1 pi bond. So for 4 oxygen we will get 4 sigma plus 4 pi. Now pi bond will not contribute towards the geometry or shape of the molecule, so we will consider this shape by using this 4 sigma. So for 4 sigma the hybridization will be sp3, that is the geometry will be tetrahedral. Again next we will come to ICl4 minus. Iodine has 7 valence electron, 4 Cl will give 4 electron, due to negative charge we will get 1 electron. So total number of electron 12, electron pair equal to 6. So here 4 chlorine will bonded to iodine with 4 sigma plus 2 lone pair. So here total number of electron pair equal to 6. So hybridization will be sp3d2. Structure will be octahedral. Two lone pair will occupy the axial position to reduce the lone pair repulsion, because it will be in 180 degree position here. Next we will come to XeO2F2. Xe has 8 valence electron, 2 oxygen will give 4 electron, 2 fluorine will give 2 electron. So total number of electron equal to 14. So electron pair equal to 7. So for 2 oxygen we'll get 2 sigma plus 2 pi, and for 2 fluorine we'll have 2 sigma. So total 4 sigma plus 2 pi, 4 sigma plus 2 pi, and 1 lone pair. As pi electron will not contribute towards geometry, we will have to decide the geometry by using this 5 electron pair. For 5 electron pair, the geometry will be trigonal planar. That is XC. This double bonded oxygen will occupy the equatorial position, because here the lone pair and double bonded oxygen repulsion will be lower. So we can see here our question is the number of lone pairs are identical in the pair. So it has 2 lone pairs, also it has 2 lone pairs, it has 2 lone pairs, it has 1 lone pair. So these 2 pairs, that is XCF4 and ClF3, these pairs will have 2 lone pair in each. This will be the answer. So students, if you have any doubt regarding this question, please let me know in comment box, and to get such interesting videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.